What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick review of Writesonic and whether it's worth using for AI writing and content creation. Writesonic is an AI writing tool designed to help you create content quickly, especially for marketing, blogs, ads, and social media. It's built for speed and ease of use, making it a popular option for creators who need content fast without starting from a blank page. One of Writesonic's biggest strengths is variety. You can generate blog posts, product descriptions, landing page copy, emails, and even ad headlines, all in one place. It's especially useful for brainstorming ideas or getting a solid first draft that you can refine. Writesonic also includes tools for SEO-focused content, which can help structure articles and optimize them for search. For short-form marketing copy, it does a good job keeping things clear and engaging. That said, the quality depends heavily on how specific your prompt is. If your input is vague, the output can feel generic and may need editing. For deeper reasoning or highly creative writing, you might still want a more advanced AI alongside it. Overall, Writesonic is a solid tool for fast content creation and marketing workflows. If you need speed, flexibility, and a wide range of writing tools in one platform, it's definitely worth checking out. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.